This is Deepesh, and alongside me is Simranjeet. We have come up with a new tool on cryptography for dynamic CRM that we guys have developed. This utility helps for encrypting and decrypting fields on dynamic CRM entities. We have created this tool called Crypto for Dynamic CRM, which helps in encrypting and decrypting sensitive information for storage on dynamic CRM. Some of the examples which this tool will be useful to be used are for banking and financial scenarios, storing credit card number for your customer or for other information. For banking, healthcare, retail, financial, or telecommunication companies, storing bank account number and credit card information encrypted within the dynamic CRM storage. For public sector companies or government organizations, storing public services number, etc. For example, if we take example of US, one example is to store social security number or SSN in dynamic CRM. So since it needs to be secure, it should be encrypted before storage in the CRM system. So our tool can help there. In this tool, we have provided the ability to encrypt data using two algorithms, AES, which is the Advanced Encryption Standard, and MD5 with TES encryption. We are providing a custom workflow DLL, which then can be called from an out-of-box workflow on some CRM operation like create or an update. This demo can be extended in conjunction with CRM security roles, team structuring, etc., so that only certain user or teams can encrypt and decrypt this sensitive information. For rest of the video, I will ask Simranjeet to continue on it. Hey Simranjeet, can you guide us now through the demo and explanation of the algorithms?
Thanks, Dipesh. As Dipesh has already explained, we are going to use two algorithms in this tool, MD5 and AES. Now, when I talk about MD5 algorithm, MD5 is a hashing algorithm and is prone to attacks. Therefore, we have configured MD5 algorithm with the TES encryption. This makes it harder for any attack to take place on the data. So how it works is we have a fixed size key which is saved in a configuration, and using that particular key we create a hash value. This hash value is then evaluated against the message and acts as an input to the TS algorithm. On the other hand, AES algorithm is more secure. It takes a 128 bit of data which acts as a key against which we use the message, and the message is encrypted. It is stronger and faster as compared to the other algorithms that are available in the market. So now we will just demonstrate this two algorithms on the real world scenario. As you can see on my screen, we have created a new entity which is a dummy entity, and it is having three fields. On the first field, we have a unencrypted value of a credit card information, which could be anything like a user password also. In the encrypted value, we will show you the encrypted message based upon the credit card information. And in algorithm, we can have two options, MD5 and AES. So to run this tool, we have provided two DLLs, one for encryption and one for decryption. So I will call the encryption message, which is a workflow process that we have added for a demonstration purpose. So once I call this encryption, it takes around 5 to 10 seconds for the credit card number to be encrypted. So I will just refresh the screen. As you can see, the credit card number has been encrypted. Now to get the original credit card number back, we can just call the decryption method. Again, we can wait for 5 to 10 seconds for the workflow to complete. So as you can see, we have got our original credit card number back. Now to have this as a AES algorithm, we will just change this to AES, save the record, and then run the encryption once again. I will just refresh the form once more. As you can see, I have received the encrypted value of the AES algorithm. Uh, as you can see, it is having more bytes, so it makes the data more secure as compared to the normal MD5 algorithm. To decrypt the data again, I will just run the decryption algorithm once more, refresh the form, and after that we will have our original credit card number back. As you can see, um, this is the way the tool works, and these two DLLs or these two workflows can be configured uh, for any implementation that you want. Even the keys are configurable, which you give input to the MD5 and AES algorithm. Thanks for watching this video.